So you all have to watch this video to the end to see how we cop this excessive amount of money in the morning. So please make sure you watch this video to the end. Subscribe to this channel, check the description of this video, join our free Telegram channel, and you also find the link to my WhatsApp in case you want to join the VIP or you want to join the mentorship class, or you want me to pass the ProfM challenge for you, or you want me to manage your account for you. So watch this video to the end and you will learn a lot. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and it's another beautiful morning here in the VIP and also in the market because we are in profit. So this is our trade from this morning that was given to the VIP. Sell the C500, and as you can see, massive profit already, and we've been able to cop so much, you see here. But I also told them to start securing because the market might actually pull up, and maybe I tell my VIPs to always have a target as well. Have a target. Once you hit the targets, you're done for the day. So it's a downtrend. So market started pulling up. Let's go to the chart so you understand this. Market started pulling up already. Like after this, when market got down here, it pulled back up and gave us a loss on this second entry position. But right now we are in profit again and we are still expecting more spikes. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do what to subscribe to my channel, like the video. You can also hit me up on WhatsApp in case you want to join the VIP or you want to learn how to trade. I'm ready to be your mentor. Or you want to join the free Telegram group, you can check the description of this video. You'll find my number, the link to my WhatsApp, okay, and you also find the link to the free Telegram group in case you want to join. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this indicator settings effectively without any problem. So you have to be sure to follow the rules I'm going to give, because if you don't follow the rules, you're going to miss out on it. So now we have the crash 500, and let's check out the 1 hour time frame. Now what do you see on the 1 hour time frame? You can see that this is a complete downtrend. It's not what you have to argue about. It's very obvious that it's a downtrend. And when it's a downtrend, what do? You look out for selling entries. You look out for positions where you can sell from. Okay, so this is a good market strategy in the sense that you have to sell at this point. Okay, so that's why we sold the C500, a crash 500, and we've made profit from it. So now let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. This indicator works on the 1 minute time frame. I was just using the 1 hour or the higher time frame to know if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So you have to be sure of the trend of the market. Okay, you have to be sure of the trend of the market before indulging. Okay, before indulging. And also we are here on the crash 300 for a sell, and you've seen we are in huge profit as well. Okay, this was as a matter of the market getting to this area here. This was price action in play. This was our resistance, which has been here for like let's say 2 to 3 days. So this resistance was retested at this point when market got here and started pulling down, which gave us a sell entry. So positions at the resistance and support are actually very important. Okay, they're actually very important, and since then we've been in massive profit. But if you watch my last video, you're going to find me showing you how to scalp using this same indicator settings on the crash 500. I showed how to scalp effectively using the crash 500, but here I'm here to show you how to catch spikes. So now, what do you look out for when you want to catch spikes? Now you see we have the indicator window down here, which consists of the MACD, Bollinger Band, and the moving average. The green line running here, those are the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so these lines here are the main line and the signal line. Okay, the main line and the signal line, while the moving average happens to be the black. So now things you should watch out for. It's a very simple strategy. As long as you follow the rules, you're going to get it right. So now, this is how you use this indicator. Now, you see that this is a downtrend already. Now, what do you look out for? Once you see these two lines, the purple and the sort of gold line crossing each other at the top, that gives you an entry for a sell. Okay, it gives you an entry for a sell, which you're going to catch spikes if you're trading the crash, but on the boom, that's going to be a scalping. I'm going to show you how to use this on the boom too, but it's going to be on the next video. So now when you see a crossover at this point, you now know that it's time to sell. Okay, and being a downtrend, you look for sell entries, but it's still okay for you to scalp. Like yesterday, we scalped on the crash 500, but we're very sure at the level we entered from. Okay, because I had to wait on the video of the crash 500, me scalping. I had to wait for a crossover live. I had to wait. Because markets came down to this level, so we had to wait for it to give us a crossover before we went into the market. And if you watch the video, you're going to see that we made profit out of it. So now, having seen that, you see that when market crosses over, you're going for a sell. And when you see this, you know that you have to just be very careful. Understand that markets can change trends as well. Okay, it can change trends, and you have to look for a right entry, which means you have to analyze your market as well. Depending fully on indicator is not actually the right thing to do, but indicator works because it works for us. So let's backtest this. Okay, so you can see here at this point here, same thing happened here. A crossover, spikes came. Then on the down part, if you want to scalp, you do the opposite of what you do when you're catching spikes. Okay, which means once there is a crossover here below, there is a opportunity for you to scalp. Let's also go down. Same thing happened here. When there's a crossover from here, it's an opportunity for you to scalp. So when you scalp, you can take your profit at this level here. Okay, you can take your profit at this level here, because once market gets to this level, it starts dropping. You see here also a crossover led to the drop. So that's how this indicator works. And let me just share the settings of this indicator with you. So on the main window, we have the period, which is we have the moving average with the period 50, shift 0, method exponential. You apply to close. There are no levels, and when you're done, you click on done, you go back. The first indicator you have to add on the indicator window is the MACD. You don't skip the MACD and start with the moving average. Start with the MACD. So the settings for the MACD: fast EMA is 13, slow EMA is 21, MACD SMA is 9. You apply to close. There are no levels. You can use any color you wish to use. The main and the signal line, you can see the main and the signal line. So the signal line is a good line that when it crosses with the moving average, you now know that it's either you buy or you sell. So when you're done, you click on done, you go back and add the so you add the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands carry a period of 200, shift 0, deviation is 1.5. Apply to first indicators data. We have the first indicators data and we have the previous indicators data. So you use the first indicators data. There are no levels. You go back, you add the moving average with the period of 2, shift is 0, method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. No levels. Use the color you wish to use, and when you're done, you click on done and you go back to your chart to wait for a spike, or you wait to catch some scalp. So now, as I said earlier, this works on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, you use the 1 hour or the higher time frame to know if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. And it's not advisable for you to trade against the trend. It's not advisable for you to trade against the trend. So you see here, once there is a crossover, once the moving average crosses, okay, once the moving average crosses the signal line, because this gold line here is the signal line, once it crosses and gets behind the signal line, you're going to catch your spikes. But once it goes up and the signal line is now behind the moving average, you know that you are going to go in for a scalp. So this indicator is very simple to understand. Okay, it's very easy. Okay guys, a spike just happened right now. A spike just, wow, a very long spike just happened right now, and you can see we are in very big profit, massive profits. Okay, massive profit. So guys, make sure you join the free Telegram channel. Make sure you join the VIP if you want to be earning without having to stress. This is what we do for a living. Okay, this is what we do for a living. Make sure you join us. You are gonna be happy that you've joined the free Telegram channel. I mean, we are always winning trades. We are always winning more than, like, I'm not saying we don't lose, but in out of 10 trades we can just lose one. Okay, out of 10 trades we can just lose one. So make sure you use these indicators on your demo account, have an edge over the market, then you can proceed to use it on your real account, because this is the bomb. So always note, trading against the trend is not advisable. Okay, but I guess if we look at this using price action, this was the last place that market started rejecting from, but it's gonna break that position and sell to this level. So this was supposed to be this is gonna be our TP at this level, and once we're done here, we can put our TP2 around this level, then the TP3. Okay, so guys, make sure, oh guys, okay, that was another spike. That was another spike. This is massive. This is massive. This is massive. So guys, hit me up in case you want to join the free Telegram channel. Check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my free Telegram channel and also my WhatsApp number. We are here to make money, and I'm here to bring you out of that poverty, guys. Hit me up and you're going to love it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it to your friends, and you won't regret. We also pass people's challenges, Profem challenge. You want to pass Profem challenge, account management, you want to learn how to trade, mentorship is available. Just hit me up. Thanks for watching this video. Have a lovely day.